Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Alpha Legacy. I am Muhammad Harun Rashid, the founder and CEO of Alpha Legacy. At this platform, we will learn, we will groom, and we will improve together. Before starting our Quran learning journey, we must know the etiquettes to recite the Quran. Because Quran is the holy book of Allah Almighty revealed on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. So this book have its rights. Whenever you start the recitation of Quran, there are some rules which we have to implement and which we have to adopt. Firstly, before reciting the Quran, we must know that the place where we are going to recite the Quran is clean. Secondly, the person who want to recite the Quran should have ablution. And thirdly, you are wearing the neat and clean clothes. The Quran demands pure and correct recitation. So, inshallah, with our Quran learning series, you will learn a lot and your mistakes will get improved day by day. So, you have to understand the respect of Quran, because without respect we can't even learn anything. Okay, so let's begin our Quran learning journey with the name of Allah Almighty.